Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video, I want to talk to you about mixing metals, specifically how to pick out your hardware for your kitchen or bathroom renovation. And I get a lot of questions about this, and there's a lot of uncertainty. People get like, oh, how's it going to look when it's done? Blah blah blah. It's hard to visualize. So first off, I want to tell you about a quick solution that can totally take the questions out of it. Part of the Home Love Construction design process is to actually do a photorealistic 3D rendering of your space during the design, so you know once you've picked what you want exactly what it's going to look like when it's done, so we take the uncertainty out of it. That said, to answer the question, yes, you can mix metals. There's some wildly successful interior designers I know who do this, and it comes out looking amazing. Now, what you have to be cognizant of is there has to be a plan, and it cannot be random, and there does have to be some consistency here. Specifically, what I've seen recently is two things that came out amazing. One, I saw chrome poles on cabinets mixed with gold fixtures for the lights, and also the shower hardware and the faucet was also chrome, and gold was the color for the lights. And so that went together beautifully. There was no clashing, it went together super solid, but the cabinet handles throughout the entire condo that we did, they were all that same chrome, and they were the nice big long poles, and then all the light fixtures throughout were all that gold color. So there was a lot of consistency, and they made it so that the gold and the chrome, neither of them clashed with any of the other decor. They had natural wood for the floor, natural wood for the cabinets, white tile, white countertops. It all came together seamlessly. So you have to make sure that if you're going to mix metals, neither of them clash with any of the other design elements in the remodel. So again, we do designs. If you want help making sure that that doesn't happen and you don't get a weird clashy look, we can help you with that. Again, just want to plug that for you because it is a really big benefit. Most people say that it really helps them to get it out of their head and onto paper and into a picture, and that's really helpful because most people are visual learners. They need to see it. So anyways, the other thing that I've seen that's really successful is black hardware with gold fixtures. This looks amazing. I love when people do this. What this means is, let's say your faucets, your shower hardware, let's say if you have a tub filler, that would all be gold. And then the cabinet hardware, so the pulls, the knobs, that kind of little stuff, that would all be black. You might even potentially throw in a couple pendant lights that could also be black, or they could be gold. You could go either way with this. But once you decide you want to have some layer of consistency, so probably keep it the same if you're doing multiple rooms. This works because black and gold naturally complement each other. They go well together, right? I did graduate from a school whose colors are black and gold, so I'm a little biased. But that said, they go together well, they mesh, they don't clash. But that said, you have to be making sure that the rest of the elements in your design aren't going to clash with the black or the gold. You don't want to be doing something like you don't want to be doing light blue cabinets, or you don't want to be doing green tiles or blue tile. Like, you want to make sure that this all comes together, that there's not too much going on, and that if you're going to mix metals, you don't throw too many other oddball colors in there, because then you can get into situations where things don't mesh. They actually might clash and might end up working against each other from a visual perspective. So that said, that is your rundown on mixing metals. And for a third time, if you need help figuring this stuff out, we offer design services. We'd be happy to help you to figure out what to put in your bathroom. And when I say design services, it's all the way from laying out the floor plan down to picking out the exact tile and cabinet hardware you're going to use for your project. It's truly full service. It's a great service, and obviously I highly recommend it, otherwise I wouldn't sell it. So that said, the way that you do that is you go to homelove.construction and you click the Get a Quote link, and we'll connect you with the designer and also with an estimator for your project. So I look forward to hearing from you very soon. Go to homelove.construction and click the Get a Quote link in order to start the process with our estimators and with our design team in order to figure out exactly what you're gonna do for your renovation. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate you for the attention. If you would click the subscribe button below, it helps me to reach more people, get more projects done, get more experiences, so that we can then share those with you and teach you more things that we learn along the way. Thanks again for your time. Appreciate the attention. See you in the next vid. Peace.